Hello everyone. So let us solve this problem today. The question is determine the distance x in the figure such that RE and RD are equal. So RA and RD they have given. So these two things are equal. You are supposed to calculate the value of x here. So first step is we are going to write the free body diagram. So let us write the free body diagram here. This is RA. And I'm going to convert this UDL into equivalent point load. So you will be calculating, you will be multiplying UDL intensity multiplied by loading length. If you do know, you are going to get the value of concentrated load, and it is going to act at a distance of L by 2, that is 2 by 2 is 1 meter. And this is 30 kilonewton they have given, and this is 20 kilonewton they have given. And here you have a support RD, and this is 20 kilonewton, and this is the value of x. Okay, so this is a free body diagram. Now what we are going to do is I am going to apply the equilibrium equations, that is summation of h is equal to 0. Sign convention is this side towards right, whatever the forces are there, all those things are positive for me. Then summation of v is equal to 0 I will consider, that is all the upward forces are positive for me. So see here you don't have any horizontal forces in the beam, so I'm not going to consider this one. I'm just going to neglect this. Now summation of all the vertical forces is equal to 0. Let us consider. You have RA plus RA minus 10 into 2 minus 30 minus 20 plus RD and minus 20 you will be getting. That is all the like upward forces I will be considering it as positive, and all the downward forces I will be considering it as negative. So RA minus 10 into 2 minus 30 minus 20 plus RD, then minus 20 would be equal to 0. So RA plus RD is equal to 20 minus 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 you will be getting 90 kilo 1 minute. Yeah, this is 30 we have considered. This is 10 into 2. Yes. Okay. So we'll be getting 30 plus 20, 30 plus here. So it will be 90 kilonewton. Now we have RA is equal to RD. No, it is given in the question. RA is equal to RD. It is given in the question itself. That's why you'll be getting RA is equal to what? 45 kilonewton. Use this condition, you will be getting 2 RA is equal to 90 kilonewton. That is RA will be equal to 45 kilonewton. Okay, so here you substitute, you will be getting RA is equal to 45. Now summation of MA is equal to 0 I will consider. That is summation of all the moment about A is equal to 0. Now let us take the moment one by one. Okay, so this is 10 by 2 into 1 you will be getting, that is force into perpendicular distance, and this is clockwise in direction. This one perpendicular distance is 2 meter and it is clockwise direction. This is perpendicular distance is 3 and clockwise direction. RD if you take about this point, if you try to rotate, it is going to rotate anti-clockwise direction. Then this one anti-clockwise clockwise direction. Okay, now let us write one by one. That is 10 into 2 into 1. This one is plus 30 into 2, 20 into 3. Then RD is what? RD is also equal to 45 into, it is 4 plus 1 plus 2, that is 7. Then plus 20 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus x. Okay. Should be equal to what? Should be equal to 0. If you solve this particular equation, you will be getting 20 into 7 plus x would be equal to 175 you will be getting. So x is equal to 1.75 meter. Okay, this is how we are going to calculate.